In this video, I'll guide you through how to sync your calendar with Google Calendar in Clio Manage. Keeping your schedule organized across platforms is crucial, and syncing your calendars can save you a lot of hassle. So, let's dive right in and make sure your Clio Manage calendar is perfectly in sync with Google Calendar. First, you'll want to head over to the left menu in Clio Manage. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but for this task, we're going to focus on the settings. So, click on that to begin. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll need to find the section labeled Contact and Calendar Sync. This is where we'll be making all the magic happen. As you scroll through the sync options, you'll see various applications listed. What we're looking for here is Google, so go ahead and locate that. Once you've found Google, you'll see a button that says Configure. This is your next stop. Click on Configure to proceed to the next step. Now, to link your Google account with Clio Manage, you'll need to click on the Link Google Account button. This step is crucial as it forms the bridge between the two platforms. After clicking, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Make sure you choose the correct account to avoid any future confusion. Following this, you'll have to grant Clio the necessary permissions to access your Google account. Don't worry, this is just to ensure that the sync can run smoothly without any hitches. Once your Google account is linked, you'll be directed to the Calendars tab. This is where you can specify exactly which calendars you'd like to sync. You'll see a list of your calendars, and next to each, there's a handy little checkbox. Go through the list and check the boxes next to the calendars you want to sync. This step is important because it allows you to customize your sync settings according to your specific needs. After selecting your calendars, you'll see an option to set the sync direction. For the most seamless experience, it's best to set this to sync both ways. This ensures that changes you make in either Clio or Google Calendar will be reflected across both platforms, keeping everything up to date. With your calendars selected and your sync direction set, it's time for the final step. Simply click on the Save button. This will initiate the sync process, and your calendars will start syncing immediately. You can now enjoy the convenience of having your calendars in perfect harmony, no matter where you're accessing them from. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully synced your calendar with Google Calendar in Clio Manage. This integration will help you keep track of all your important dates and appointments effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.